Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl once again on your screen. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. Yeah, if you are new on my channel, my name is Priscilla. I'm a mom vlogger living here in Italy. Please do so well to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. If you are looking for a man, I think this is the right video for you to watch. Sit back and watch this video. This video we'll be talking on how to find a man. Yes, when I mean a man, I mean husband material, full yard, husband material. One place you can find a man, a good man, is in church. Yes, don't get me wrong, don't get it twisted. In the church we have the good and the bad ones, but definitely you will find a man, I mean a good man. You can actually find a good man in the church. We have good men that are in church. We have bankers, we have lawyers, we have, accountants, we have a lot of, lecturers, a lot of, good guys in church. Yes, you can definitely find a good man in church. No, you are single and searching and you are also a Christian, please try as much as possible to go to church this Sunday, because you might actually come back with your husband. Two, you can actually find that man, I mean that's your husband, I mean your own husband, in a party. Yes, you can actually find a man in a party. So don't turn down that invitation or that invitation card that they give to you. That wedding invitation, that birthday invitation. Don't turn it down, because you might actually find your husband there. So don't turn it down. Don't turn it down. Better go and sew your material or go and buy your ready-made. Prepare yourself, make up, and hit the road for that wedding. Hit the road for that birthday party. You can actually see your husband there. Three, this one is funny, but it has happened to me severally. You can actually get a good man or see your husband in a flight, or is either in a flight or no, in a bus, but preferably in a flight. Yes, you can actually meet your husband there. I have met several men there. When I mean men, Bosha men, rich men in a flight. Yes. So you can actually meet your husband in a flight. Yes. So get ready to buy your ticket and travel. Travel to anywhere. Even though you don't have places to go, just buy ticket and travel. You might be lucky. The person who will sit beside you might be your husband. That man beside you might be your husband. So get ready to travel. Is that you travel by bus or by flight? So choose one, but make sure you travel. Actually find your husband or that right man in a bar or restaurant. Yes, in a bar or restaurant, you can actually find a man there, because people go there to eat. Responsible men go there to eat. Even unresponsible ones still go there to eat. But I believe that you can actually find your husband, or your wife in an eatery or in a bar. Actually find your husband again on internet, because I have friends that met their husband. In fact, one of my church members sef, that one that I even used to see every day in church, she met her husband on internet. So you can actually find your husband on internet. A lot of people have gotten married through internet. A lot of people have gotten married through dating sites. So a lot of people have gotten married through Facebook and another social media platform. So you can actually see that right man or get married to that right person on internet, on social media. So if you are not a social media person, better after this video now, stay connected. After this video, go and get social. Go and get social. You can open an Instagram, go and start getting social, because fine men are there, Bosha and beautiful men, they there. So go and get social. You can actually see that right person. A friend will refer you. You understand? That's why it's very important to be at peace with all, with your friend, with your relative, with anybody. Don't make trouble. Just be at peace with all, because adia mama, you might not know where that person, that right man will come from. So it's good you should be at peace with all. Yes, because it has happened to me too, when my friend referred me to his friend, his childhood friend, a guy. But it was so unfortunate that I did not like the guy. So I had to pass that guy to another of my friend. And they are happily married with 2 kids right now. So you can actually get married through referral. So stay at peace with all men. Strange will, but I have seen somebody it happened to, just one person anyway. I don't know if you might have seen too, but I have seen somebody it happened to. Somebody that I know very well, met her husband in the markets where you go buy soup tin, where you go buy egusi and ogbono wey you wan cook. So you can actually meet your husband anywhere. So don't focus on these ones I listed. Just open your mind, open yourself to opportunities. You might meet him anywhere. This friend of mine met her husband in the market where they were buying something from the same woman. So they actually met there. They now exchange number from there. They got married. So you can meet your husband anywhere. The only thing is, you be a friendly person and a social person, because no man would want to ask a woman that her face like this. No man will want to ask her out. So be a friendly person, have a fine face, always smile, always smile. Don't squeeze your face, don't make people run for you. So be a social person and be a happy person. So that's it. On this note, I hope you guys, those that are single, we find this information useful. So on this note, I say thank you guys for watching my videos, for liking my videos, and also subscribing. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I beg you. I am begging. I am on my bended knees. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share my video. Until I see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.